Hello everyone, I hope you had a great day. So I'll be showing you how to upload your project on GitHub. So just go to github.com and create your account. So once you've created your account, you just go here. For me, I already have an account, and you just click here and it shows me everything about my account page. If I want to go to my profile, this is my profile and some of the projects I've worked on. So if I want to add project, all I have to do is go to my repository. You can see here your repositories. Just click on it, and these are all the projects I've done and uploaded in my repository. So if I want to add a new one, or for someone that just wants to add a project for the first time, you can just click here, new. So once you click on it, it'll take you to this page where you have create a new repository. It contains all your project files, including the revision history. Then we can see a repository name here. That's the title of your project, or the title of the folder, whatever title you want to give it. But we're just using this as an example. So let's say the title of my project is data analyst job salary. Already, okay, let me just data analyst job salaries. So we've already created your repository name. You can see this green tick here. Then we'll go to, so it's already showing us your new repository will be created as data analyst job salary. Then you go to description, though it says optional, but it's good you write something short, like a description about what you worked on, just something brief. So I'm just going to type conducted, depends on what you did, conducted EDA, conducted EDA on, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and from 2023 to 2026, okay, let's say 2024 to 2026. So we've created a description. Then we can see that we have public and private. You want your project to be public because you want people to see what you've done, like see your work as a data analyst, as a data scientist, data engineer, whatever your profession is about. You want people to see what you've done. You want recruiters to see your work and call you for an interview, or you even want people to learn from you, people to see your work and learn from you, ask you questions about how you went about your work. And you also want people to make suggestions and contribute to your work, except if it's something private that you don't want people to see, maybe work related or just your personal stuff, then you can put it on private. But if you want people to see your work, it's best you put it on public. So we scroll down and you see this add a readme file. You're just going to click on it. Let me explain. A readme file is where you can write a long description about your project. This is what like draws people's attention to your work. They want to see what your project was about, what you did, your findings, that's your insights, how did you go about it, and your recommendations. So you really have to like make this place kind of catchy. So we scroll down and you just create repository. Creating a repository actually makes a link, or it provides a link to that project. As you can see, it has already changed. Here has changed to github.com/data analyst job salary. This is the link. This is the link you can send to people, upload on your social media for people to see what you've done, like see this particular project. We'll go back to this readme file very soon. First, let's add our files. You can see here add file. So let me just click on it. This is, you can see upload files. You already have some files about this project, like the data set and the file containing all your code, like the code, what you did to achieve your results, or your analysis, your ED analysis, if you performed whatever you did though. So that file containing your work, you have to like upload it here for people to see what you actually did. So I'm just going to click on it, upload files. So you choose your files here to take you to your computer, like your documents, where you've saved all your documents and whatnot. So you just go to choose files. So I'm just going to be choosing any data sets that is not related, because I've not worked on anything data analyst job salary. So I'm just going to be uploading any data set I'm just using it as an example. So I'm just going to use these data sets for our second task, online shopper's intention. Forgive me, but I've moved all my data sets to somewhere different, so I don't have any other data sets here. So we're just going to use this. It's uploading. You can see uploading. So it has uploaded. Once that green line goes off, you will know that it has finished uploading. Then you want to choose, when we finish whatever you're using, if you're using Google Colab or you're using Jupyter Notebook, once you finish with all your analysis, we usually download the IPYB file. So you want to upload that too, so that people can see how you went about your analysis. So I'm just going to upload any IPYMB file I see. Not related, but let me see. Okay, let me use this Titanic data cleaning and modeling. It's just it's just the sample, like oh, they are not related, but so we can see that we uploaded the data set in that is in CSV. It could be whatever format, whether Excel, CSV. Then you want to upload like the file containing all your codes. So you've uploaded your file. If you have any other file related to the data sets that you want people to see what see your work, like see what you've done, you can upload everything here before you go here to commit changes. So you now I've finished uploading what I want to upload for me, so I just have to go here, commit changes. You can see the files are uploaded here. So now let's go to our readme file, and you can see two commits here. Like this actually shows the number of commits you do, so you just want to make sure that you are careful. Try and upload everything like once and for all, but it's not a crime like going back to adjust something or add more stuff. Just that it's going to show the number of commits you've done, maybe 5, 7, 10. So let's go to the readme file. That's the most important one. The readme is still here. So you just go here, like you want to add something. This is it's just showing us the title we created, the name of the repository, and the description. Remember the description we wrote here. So this is where you're going to type like everything about your project, like in detail, because this is what people will see first before they start opening. People want to read your readme file before they even start opening the files you uploaded. So you really want to make this place worth it. So if you have like any heading, it's best to use like a markdown, like use this hash tag to give it a heading. Yeah, to give it that heading. So, and it's good for me, I usually type everything I want to paste in my readme file. I usually type everything I want in a Word document, so it's easier for me to just copy and paste. So I'll advise you to do that. So I just created something for this example. I just created something for this example. So okay, we already have this as the name of our repository, and we have this as the description. So you want to, the resources, you always want to put where you got the data from. You got it from 10 Analytics, you got it from Kaggle, you got it from wherever you got it from. It's always good to put the data source. If it's a competition, you put it there, and what's IDE, the environment you use. There is Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook, and what libraries did you use in carrying out your analysis and your visualization, pandas, numpy, matplots, library, and seaborn. So I'm just going to copy all this, and I'm going to like explain it when I paste it there. Where is it? Okay. So you always want to like space out your work. Just press enter on your keyboard. Go here. Let's paste. Did I copy everything? Okay. So this I copied from here, right? So just paste this. Resources. This is like a heading. So you want to give it like space. Then we have our data source, Google Colab, where you carried out your analysis and the packages or libraries you used. Then you want to write something about whatever your project, just something, just to, for people to know, okay, you really agile, like you really know what you're doing. Like it's either you pick one, write an overview or introduction, whatever works for you. So I'm just going to space it out like this. Oh, it depends on how you want your work to be done. So I wrote something about how the importance of data analysis and how data analysts are really needed in the job market, and something about their annual salary, their average annual salary. Then I wrote something about EDA. I just want to space that. You always want to put like this hash, like the markdown. You know how we use the markdown to put our headings, like it's the same thing. Just put it here. Then use the enter on your keyboard just to create that space. Then you want to write like what's your objective, like why are you carrying out, what's your aim, why are you carrying out this analysis. So our aim is to examine all the features using EDA to gain insights from the data. Oh, sorry. You still want to use this. Then you want to say something about the variables or the features or the columns in the data sets. Can put everything there. So you see, I used Word documents to insert these numbers just to make my work like really neat. I think there's something I didn't add. Let me go to my Word documents. Okay, the insights, like what I found out from my analysis. Just want to paste here. Let me scroll up and just so you just see what I've done. Like, see how I did like the spacing and everything. You see how it's going to turn out later. If you have recommendations, you can also add that as well. Then here, you know, when we were carrying out our analysis, um our visualizations, you can save them as picture, as png formats. So it's good you save some pictures and upload them here. If you are creating a dashboard, maybe using Power BI or whatever, it's good you add like the relationship table and maybe pictures of the data sets, whatever you feel like is important that will give the reader, will make the reader more interested in your work. So you just click here, you can see attach files by dragging and dropping, selecting or pasting them. So I'm just going to click on it. It will take me to my, just go to whatever folder where you have your, I saved some pictures from our data science job salary, just to use as an example. So you can just put it here. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I think my cursor was here. I'm just going to delete this. Here, it should be here. Here, right? Another thing you can do, you can just go there, like go to where you have the picture. If you don't want to just upload it the way I did before, you can just go to where you have the picture. Just just copy and you just paste it. I'm just going to do it like both ways. Paste it here. You see I copied the file and I just pasted it here. Or you can just go here and select, click on it, whichever works for you. So we have both files here. So that's just it. If you want to add more stuffs, you can add. You want to add more pictures, you can add. And once you're done, you can just commit to changes over here. You can see the results. And this data analyst job salaries, conducted ED on data analyst job salary from 2024. Resources, overview. Just pick one, either overview or introduction. I just use both, but it's good you pick one. You can write small about this. Your objective, if you have more than one, then you put the objectives. Insights. I was supposed to, how many insights did I copy? I think I just copied one insight. Oh, I have to go back and edit. Sorry. I want to add something. I think I just copied one, but it doesn't matter. Or I think I just copied one insight. I have to. How come? Copy. Oh, it's there. Okay, I didn't give space. You have to always give space, you see? so that your work can be neat and not like joined together. I hope you understand. If you have any questions after this video, you can always ask me. I'm not good at explaining, sorry, but it's the best I can do for now. Okay, so this is the outcome. Okay. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.